The next thing is we like to use this Bing AI to generate YouTube ideas for my YouTube channel or for any YouTube channel of your choice. So you can go ahead and click on new topic, and then we can go ahead and start asking it questions. So for example, can you generate 5 YouTube video ideas on a tech channel for topics that are trending in February or in March 2023. So let's hear from it. Can you generate 5 YouTube video ideas on tech channel for topics that are trending in March 2023? Yes. Tech channel YouTube video ideas March 2023. Sure, I can help you with that. Here are some possible YouTube video ideas for tech channel topics that are trending in March 2023. How to use NFTs, non-fungible tokens, to create and sell digital arts. This is also trending. The best smart home devices of 2023, review, comparisons, and recommendations. A guide to metaverse platform. Okay, a guide to metaverse platforms, what they are and how they work and why they matter. Okay, these are very trending topics. The latest gaming laptops of 2023, specs, features, and performance tests. The pros and cons of 5G networks, speed, coverage, and security issues. I hope these ideas inspire you. Do you have any questions or feedback? Okay, I think these are very good ones. I think the next one I would like to go is the metaverse platform. I think I'm interested in it, so maybe I can make a video about it. So let's say, can you give me a sample content on the third option? Sample content in the third option. So let's say metaverse. So let's see what it can respond. Metaverse platforms. Sure, I can give you a sample content on the third option. Here is the possible outline for a video on metaverse platforms. Introduction. Explain what are the metaverse platforms and why they are important for the future of social connections, entertainment, and education and commerce. Examples. Showcase some of the best metaverse platforms that you can try in 2022, such as the Sandbox, Decentraland, Roblox, Horizon World, and Rec Rooms. Wonderful. I've never heard of any of these features. Okay, you can highlight some of the key features of each platform, such as how they use virtual reality, augmented reality, blockchain technology, artificial intelligence, and machine learning to create immersive and interactive experiences. Comparison, you can compare and contrast some of the pros and cons of each platform, and then you can conclude by a summary of main points and invite your viewers to share their thoughts on the metaverse platforms. I think this is good. And if you want it, you can lure it to give you more content as regards this very one. So you can say, can you give me the introduction part, explaining the metaverse, the different metaverse platforms that we have? Can you give me more detail on the introduction, explaining the metaverse, the various platforms? Can you give me more detail? Let's say a sample, more detail on the introduction, whether you can give us something on the information. Okay, platform introduction. So you can go ahead and do that, showcase some of the best metaverse platforms, and then after it gives you the first one at the introductory stage, and then you can go ahead. So I can give you a sample, more detail on the introduction, explaining this. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the most exciting and futuristic topics of our time, which is the metaverse platform. So you can see the introduction is well written. What exactly is metaverse platforms, and why should you care about it? Then you can give you the definition of what a metaverse platform is. A metaverse platform used advanced virtualization and technologies such as augmented reality, virtual reality, haptic sensors, and so on. And in artificial intelligence, you can see some of the key things and some of the sources it has used. Metaverse platforms are important for the future of social connection and the successor of the mobile internet. Okay, so you can see in this video we are going to showcase some of the best metaverse platforms. So this is the introductory part. You can go ahead and ask it to write to give you more examples of metaverse platforms, or you can pick this individually, or you can say, please can you give me detailed explanation of some of these metaverse, the Sandbox, the Decentraland, and the Roblox, and so on. And it's going to give you details about all this. Okay, so the whole idea is for it to give you a topic that is trending and in March 2023 that has very high keyword research. And when you make videos about this, it's sure that your channel is going to rank very, very high on the YouTube platform. So feel free to go ahead and give it a try and see how you can use this Bing AI to generate your own YouTube ideas and go ahead and generate content. Because you are generating the content, you are taking it into your Word document, and later on you can read it and then see how you can bring in different kind of visuals to make it a complete video even without showing your face. I think this is it, and you can use other platforms like InVideo also that can help you to have AI read the whole text and convert it into a video. Okay, I think that does it for this tutorial on how to use the Bing AI to generate YouTube content or YouTube ideas for your own YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.